YouTube? This is your boy Young Shotty. I know this is long overdue, but today is Saturday, June 5th, 2010. Okay, I had to make sure that because I was using iTunes back then, my microphone was working. So I'm going to do to y'all the review of the oldest phone on Virgin Mobile, the Kyocera 2119B Party Animal. This first came onto Virgin Mobile scene back in 2002 on an introductory low price of only $79.99. The phone is now worth $2. Now Virgin Mobile have newer phones with colored screens and videos and blackberries and whiteberries and pinkberries and blueberries and all these other berries that I don't even eat. Well, hell, I'll take the blackberry. I already have the blackberry curve with all tail. I want an all tail actually, and I want the new blackberry curve. And you know, this is going to be a good alternative to this phone, which if I can get this phone, if I can get all the minutes and everything switched over to this phone, I would sure enough put this to the into the repository. Now I got a similar one, the Kyocera 2135 with Verizon Wireless. This phone is unflashable. This phone is unactivatable due to Verizon Wireless taking out all the you know, all the phones that don't have GPN, don't have location tracking, so that 911 can find out where you are if in case you were in an accident or being maimed or something. In which, and it still comes on too. Oh, and what happened to the SIM key? Oh, I put this ain't the original. This ain't the original keypad. I took the keypad off of this and I put it on my Virgin Mobile, because since these are two of the same models, even though that one is the 2119B and this one is 2135, they still run good. Perfect. I love that phone. I've had that phone for over 5 years and it has never given me a problem. Never. It just, these old phones never cease to amaze me, really. I'm Young Shotty saying, don't hate me because I'm carrying a cordless phone about. These used to be the shit back in 2002, back when I was in middle school. I'm Young Shotty. Peace.